Hi, I'm Jan from VelomobileWorld.com and we shoot here a maintenance video, so have fun. This video is mainly for people who live in the colder regions. This is a job you might gonna do before the winter comes. I was always too lazy to do it. I had a couple of times that a lot of dirt and grease came over here, and then cold weather, and then these poles got stick together. It's also the reason it happened also by me, because I was living near to Dronten, and the area where I lived was an agricultural area. So in the autumn, the farmers get off the land, they had pretty much dirt on the road. Then cars came and flattened it out. Then a lot of rain, and then the minus temperatures, rain, plus. And you get a kind of diarrhea layer on the road. Some water with mud. And this comes everywhere. Your bike gets really dirty on the bottom side. The wheel wells get really dirty. It's really aggressive how much dirt is coming on your bike if you live 20 years ago around Dronten. And yeah, then I had this issue. So this video is mostly for people who live in the northern parts, whereas in the countryside, because that amount of dirt you normally don't get on your Velomobile. So what happens is that the grease, Vaseline, and water and dirt get stuck here, and then they stay stuck here instead of going outwards and helping you moving forwards. So what you could do in such a situation is you can take down the spring. So you take a very small screwdriver. Make sure you don't drop these things on the floor, because it's hard to find them back. And you can take out this spring like this. In my case, it's everything perfect clean, so I do not do anything. Besides, I am taking a little bit, not too much, because otherwise you make the problem even worse. I put back of course, if it's dirty, you clean this all. You put this back. I put also a little bit of Vaseline there, because it helps now when I assemble them, that they stay on this spot where they are. Then sometimes this spring is like bended outwards, or it's fully broke. If it's fully broke, then you have to replace it. If it's like a bit bended like this, it's better just try to bend it back or replace it. They are really cheap, only not always available when you need them. So what you can do is you stick it in again. Try to bend this as least as possible. And you see now it comes really nice. And it goes outwards. Then I take, in the most of the times, a little bit of Teflon spray, just to make sure you have some rust protection. Again, not too much, because if it's too oily and too greasy, you also attract dirt. And that's also what you don't want. This was the video how to do maintenance on your freewheel. I hope you enjoyed the videos about the maintenance. If you have still some ideas, please let them in the comments. But before you put comments, have a look to the other videos. Maybe we uploaded your question already. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun. See you next time.